Danusha Sri, you are appearing for Federal Bank interview. In the case of Federal Bank interview, what is important
Yes,
is,
sir.
first of all, you must be clear about what are the business results of our bank as on 30th September. I have provided them here. Please read and also try to remember it well by going through this 2 or 3 times. Danusha Sri, start.
Okay, sir. Okay. Total business of the bank, rupees 5.33 lakh crore. Then total deposits, rupees 2.89 lakh crores. Total net advances, rupees 2.44 lakh crores.
Here you must
Net
remember,
profit for the
here,
second quarter,
listen, stop.
rupees.
Here you must remember, see, in the case of shops, when you ask how much is the business, the shopkeeper will tell you how much sales was he able to make. Whereas in the case of bank, total business means deposits plus advances. Danusha Sri. Danusha Sri, what is your father?
Okay, sir.
Now, what is your father? அப்படின்னா
Sir, he's a
அப்பா
farmer,
என்ன
sir.
வேலை செய்யறாரு அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். சொல்லு. Hello?
He's a farmer, sir.
Okay. Continue.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay,
He
sir.
is a farmer. Continue. Net
Net
profit.
profit for second quarter, rupees 955. For second quarter, rupees 955.26 crores. GNPA and NNPA at 1.83% and 0.48% respectively. Gross non-performing assets and net non-performing asset. Federal Bank share price as on 2011-25, rupees 243.
Let us change it today. I wrote it today somewhere else. What is today's price? Some 237 or something like that. Anyhow, let me see now and change it. Whenever we get chance, it is better to change it. Google.co.in. 1 minute. Google. Let me ask. Federal Bank share price. Before going for the interview, you must check this and then go for the interview. That is, what is the share price of the bank for which you are appearing for interview? It is now 256.60. Has it increased or decreased? 256.60 increased, Baba. Increased. So as on 01 and 12, the amount given here is 256.60. At least, even you need not exactly mention, you mention at least 256. Since I am having it, I am giving it clearly here. Then what is market capitalization? What is market capitalization? Here it will be there, you see. Market capitalization, they are giving here 63,138 crores. 63,188 crores. That means 633 billion rupees. Billion means 100 crore. 633 into 100 crore. That much money is the market capitalization of our bank. I will explain about them afterwards. Please read. What is your name?
Okay.
Danusha Sri. Read. Padima. சின்ன பேரா வச்சு கூடாதா? ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிற மாதிரி சின்ன பேரா வச்சுட்டீங்கன்னா ஞாபகம் இருக்கும். பரவாயில்ல, படி பார்க்கலாம். குட். ROA.
Market capitalization rupees 633 billion.
மேலவா.
Okay. ROA 1.09% return on assets. ROE 11.01% return on equity.
Good.
CRA or capital risk weighted asset ratio 15.71%. Net worth of the bank rupees 34,819 crores. The total number of banking outlets come to 1,595. The number of ATMs or recyclers as on 30th September 2025 is 2,082, including mobile ATMs.
Very good. Thank you. Now I will explain about whatever you may not know. GNPA means gross NPA, gross non-performing asset. What is non-performing asset? A loan or an installment of a loan which has become overdue for more than 90 days is called as substandard or NPA. And such accounts, total of all such accounts is known as gross NPA. The moment an account comes to gross NPA, then, sorry, it comes to substandard, the bank has to provide for its bad debts. So this money has not been received for 90 days. So it is doubtful whether we may receive it. So for that, we have to provide, that is, debit our expenditure. So after subtracting the provision, the figure you get is net NPA. Gross NPA figure divided by total advances into 100 is GNPA percentage. Similarly, net NPA divided by total advances into 100 is net NPA percentage. See, actually, prior to this becoming substandard, there is one more stage known as SMA 0, where an installment is overdue for 1 to 30 days. It is called SMA 0, that is special mention account. Where it is outstanding 31 to 60 days, it is known as SMA 01. Where it is outstanding for more than 61 to 90 days, it is classified as SMA 02, special mention account. So you remember up to this, that will do. Next point, whenever we go for the interview, we should check what is the share price of our bank. Incidentally, today it is 256.60 and market capitalization is 633 billion. What is meant by market capitalization? Commerce students will know. That is, a market capitalization of a company is number of shares issued multiplied by the market share price. Share market price as on date. It will vary every day. Next one, ROA means return on
Sir, excuse me.
asset. Yeah, tell me.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Sir, Jay is trying to join this session. Kindly
Acha,
allow
acha,
him.
acha. Very good. 1 minute. Jayesh, yeah. I was telling you about return on assets. Next one is ROE means return on equity. Next item is CRAR, capital risk weighted asset ratio. It is 15.71. In Federal Bank, they will only ask what is ROA, what is this. They may not go deep into the subject, excepting for MCOM students and chartered accountants. Now, is that day itself we have read this. Dhanusha Sri, please read.
MD and CEO
Hello?
of Federal Bank, KVS Money. Hello, sir.
Padima, Padi.
MD and CEO of Federal Bank, KVS Money, and Federal Bank Chairman AP Hota. Number of happy customers 1 crore 91 lakh plus. Number of banking outlets
Okay,
1,589.
that we have already seen.
ATMs.
Go from here. Executive Director.
Executive Directors of Federal Bank, Mr. Harsh Dugar, Venkatraman, Venkateshwaran.
Good. You forget about all this. That is not continue. Read.
RBI Governor, Mr. Sanjay Malhotra, Deputy Governors of RBI, Shirish Chandra Murmu, T. Ravi Shankar, Janaki Raman Swaminathan, Mrs. Poonam Gupta.
She is also a member of Monetary Policy
Next,
Committee.
MPC.
Okay, continue.
MPC changes, repo rate 5.5 percentage, SDF 5.25 percentage, bank rate or MSF rate 5.75 percentage, reverse repo rate 3.35 percentage, CRR 4 percentage.
No. CRR
on
now
NDTL.
now 3%. Now 3%. Okay. Now it is already, all this is over. This stage and all over. Now I think I will give this as another one. CRR from 29/11/25 is 3%. Okay. Good. Now continue. SLR.
SLR 18 percentage on NDTL. Policy stands neutral.
Good. That day itself, I told you these are the things.
How many fully?
This one you read. Read.
How many fully owned subsidiaries are there in Reserve Bank of India? There are five wholly owned subsidiaries of RBI, Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, Bharatiya Reserve Bank Mudran Private Limited, Reserve Bank Information Technology Private Limited, Indian Finance Technology and Allied Services, Reserve Bank Innovation Hub.
Monetary Policy Committee. Read.
Monetary Policy Committee. Sanjay Malhotra, Governor of RBI, Chairperson ex officio. Poonam Gupta, Deputy Governor of RBI, in charge of monetary policy. Indranil Bhattacharya, Executive Director of RBI, in charge of monetary policy. Ram Singh, Director, Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi, external member. Saugata Bhattacharya, Economist, external member. Nagesh Kumar, Director and Chief Executive, Institute for Studies in Industrial Development, New Delhi, external member.
Net demand
and time liabilities.
Demand deposit.
And time liabilities. Demand deposits. SB and current account. Time deposit, fixed deposit and recurring deposit. Also know about RBI functions. Bankers to bank. Bankers to government. Note issuing authority. Foreign exchange control. Monetary policy authority. RBI will increase repo rate when inflation is more than 6%. Desired inflation rate 4% plus or minus 2, that is 2 to 6%. 2025 October inflation is 0.25%. Also known about SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India, headquarters Mumbai. SEBI is supervising the functioning of stock exchanges, authorizes mutual funds, chit funds, merchant banking units. Chairperson Mr. Tuhin Kanta Pandey. About IRDAI, headquarters Hyderabad, Chairman Ajay Seth. IRDAI is supervising the functioning of life insurance and general insurance companies. It issues licenses for starting of insurance companies, takes care of interest of consumers. Chairman Ajay Seth. Then credit rating agencies, CARE, CRISIL, India Ratings, ICRA, Acquit Rating, Infomerix, Fitch, Moody's, CIBIL.
Please read again. CARE,
CRISIL, India Ratings,
we call
ICRA,
it CRISIL.
CRISIL, India Ratings, ICRA, Acquit Rating, Infomerics, Fitch, Moody's, and CBIL.
Good, very good. These are sure short questions. That day itself, I think we studied, and you were there that day, na? We studied. You should also know what is the tagline of your bank. Your perfect banking partner is tagline of your bank. What is the vision and the mission? Latest news, then 5 current affairs and all that. See, about 1 year back and all, they always used to ask like this in Federal Bank, tell me 5 North Indian states and their capitals. Tell me 5 rivers in your state or neighboring state. Like that, they will ask so many 5, 5, 5. Tell me names of 5 RBI governors. Tell me names of 5 prime ministers of India. Tell me names of 5 presidents of India. Tell me 5 vice presidents of India. Like that, they will ask. Now they have stopped. Pata nahi what they will do. Now, this is the interview question. Now, Alina is there. Then
Yes,
who
sir.
has come just now? Some Purial has come, na? What is your name, please? Some boy has come. What is your name? Hello? Pankaj Chaubey is there. And then Jayesh Purial is there. Jayesh, you have a good internet? Jayesh? No, you don't have good internet. Then what about our another boy? What is
Yes, sir.
that?
Pankaj, sir.
Pankaj, do you have good internet?
Sir, I have good internet, but right now I am in the office. So there are so much
Acha,
background
acha,
noise.
I'm sorry. You need not read that. Then I will ask our Suparna to read. Suparna, agriculture girl, please read. This is
Yes, sir.
how the questions go. Please read. Actually, this is question for associate sales officer, but our interview will be slightly tougher than this. Please continue, Suparna.
First, they asked me about myself, my education, and my parents, about my feeling regarding Federal Bank. Would I able to achieve the target? My leadership ratings out of 10. Can I able to convince my customers? What are the main prospects for industries in Salem? They said about the nature of the job and concluded.
This one's only interview question for one boy. Next.
I'm working in HDFC, so they asked me about my roles and responsibility. How will I handle customer? Then about my brother, father and mother, about my residence and native. Am I confident in selling? How will I be able to achieve targets? Mostly they were asking about my job at HDFC Bank. Introduce yourself. Elaborate about your role in LOB Bank. What strategies you will
IOB
execute?
bank. IOB.
Sorry, IOB Bank. What strategies you will execute to achieve target? By any chance, if you couldn't able to meet your target, what will you do? My father is a farmer. I have done PG in agriculture. So they asked after your degree, what are the practical steps you have taken in your farm?
Hmm.
If you are posted in Chennai, how will you get customer source and how will you manage your accommodation travel? Can you tell me about the digital product of a bank which impressed you the most along with the benefits?
You have to go through the website of Federal Bank. Next time when we meet like this, I will ask you to answer these questions. Understand? Now I know you would not have read, so I'm not asking you, but please go through them fully and then I can ask you. somebody came and he is not available. No problem. Now we will read again. Okay. Are Baba. People are not allowing us to read also. Who is this person? Swapnil. Yeah, ठीक है. Now our Suparna, this is panel members. Please read.
Panel members are friendly and actively listening our conversation.
Continue. Quick. Read quick.
What's the role that you have applied? What do you know about the federal bank? About family and why do you want to join this role? Convince me to open an account if I had already a bank account. You have done graduation from computer science. It's just entry level job. This is not suitable for you. Do you really need a job?
Very good. So this is all. This is how they were asking for associate officers. But I think our probationary officers will come here. What is this? This is Federal Associate Officer Sales. Please read. I am Swapnil.
I'm Swapnil and I attended the interview today in Mumbai Regional Headquarters. The questions they asked me are as mentioned. Introduce yourself. What is banking? You're agriculture student, so tell us today's scenario of agriculture business benefits and risk.
So for you, this will come, Suparna.
Yes,
It
sir.
was my interview question, sir.
अच्छा, आपनार, आपनी select होए अच्छे ना की?
Yes, sir. I was selected, but I did not join.
अच्छा, will you be telling this in the interview? Don't, unless they see that and ask, don't tell.
Sir, actually, they have asked in while filling the form that did you apply for any other roles in the federal bank. I just mentioned that I have applied it, but I didn't mention that I didn't join and all like that.
No, but you can tell like this. In the interview, you have to tell that I was selected as this, but I was hopeful of getting into as a probationary officer. That is why I did not join.
Yes, sir. My father also suggested me to not to go for undergraduation post. So,
Yeah, that is only graduation, whereas you have done post-graduation.
yes,
They
sir,
will
yes.
ask you then, why did you apply initially? To give money to Sambasivam sir? Huh?
No, sir. Actually, I'm a MBA graduate and I was placed in a bank, but my placement has been postponed 2-3 times because of the budget issue in the bank, and I'm not sure whether they will onboard me or not.
Which bank?
So, sir, ISAF Small Finance Bank.
वो तो नहीं करेगा जी. उन लोग का
Yes, sir.
बिजनेस, उन लोग का
उनका
बिजनेस
budget
उतना अच्छा नहीं चलता है.
उनका बजट इशू चल रहा है सर काफी अभी.
थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, इसलिए नहीं आएगा. आने से भी उसका तलब बहुत कम है. आपको इधर कम से कम 80,000 रुपया मिलेगा.
हाँ
आप उधर
सर,
जाने
मुझे
से
वही पूछना था. मैं अगर वो क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछा तो कैसे बताऊं उनको, मतलब मैं बताऊं मेरा.
आप ये सब का बात मत बोलो.
ठीक है सर.
ये सब का बात बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. खाली ये बोलो. So that is, I have been I was selected, but I did not join because I was hopeful of this advertisement. Then they will ask you, how do you know you can become, because this advertisement was issued very much afterwards. You said, I hoped that this will come. With that hope, I did not
Yes, sir,
join.
because since last 2 years, 2 of my friends have joined the same position. One is Neha Bandewar and another is Yatish.
Oh, very good. You tell like that. Then you please read. Acha, Suparna, we will allow Swapnil to read his own question. What are you?
Sir, I have a
First
question.
question was introduce yourself. What is banking?
Wait, sir. Wait, Swapnil, wait. Somebody is asking some doubt.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, right now I am working in ISAF Small Finance Bank. So, is there any negative impression?
No. I was not knowing you are sitting here. I told this to satisfy this boy. Okay. And because I actually don't have any figures with me. But however, I know the salary is low. Salary will be, आपको कितना salary देता है?
Sir, right now my package is 4.25.
Not bad, Baba. 4.25 is a good package as far as our, what is the designation for you?
Sir, Business Development Officer.
Oh, you are also officer. Okay. So this is the package he will also get 4.25. Whereas in Federal Bank, कम से कम 11 to 12 lakhs मिल जाएगा. So इसलिए this job is the best. समझ गया?
Sir, I am just asking, is there a negative impression?
आपको कुछ negative नहीं है. You are working in ESOP is not a negative point. But I am telling him he need not go to ESOP because the Federal Bank is a good bank, better bank. Okay. For payment. Only for our payment, Baba, nothing else. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
Swapnil, please read it quickly. We will stop with this. Come on. Introduce
First
yourself.
question, introduce yourself. What is banking? You are agriculture student, so tell us the today's scenario of agriculture business, benefit and risk.
Dekho, what is your name, Swapnil? Apni mistake correction. Keno, Baba? Huh? Why have
What,
you
sir?
committed mistake in this business?
A typing mistake, sir. BUSI.
Yeah, just making fun of you. Continue.
Sir, fourth question, I think it is repeated. What is banking?
No problem. Next.
What is CASA? They asked me about CASA, and nowadays CASA deposits are low in the bank. So, what is the reason behind it? What will you do to overcome the same? As I am working in the consultancy, they asked me regarding that also. How will you talk to Horeca people? Will you convince them to be the customer of Federal Bank?
What is Horeca?
Horeca is hotel, restaurant, and a canteen. Cafe.
Acha, that is, I mean, different hotels and all that, na?
No, sir. ये FMCG इंडस्ट्री टारगेट करता है होटल, मतलब ये मॉडल है उनका बिजनेस का, होरेका मॉडल. वो फोकस करता है इन तीन चीजों पे.
I don't understand. कोई बात नहीं, अब जाइए. They asked me,
in which bank do you have the account, which is better? How will you convince? Actually, my bank account is in Central Bank, so they ask me how will you convince the customer of Central Bank to be the part of Federal Bank?
almost took 20 minutes. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, this also I will delete. These are all only latest questions. Associate officers. These are not required for us because these are very simple ones. So we have to go. We have to go somewhere else. Or piche jana hai. I think maybe from here we can read. This is also, we can take up from this. This is interview for a customer service associate. That is still a lower position. Even there, they will be asking tough questions like this. We have to read from this page number 20. Please remember, next time when we meet, we have to read from page 20. And I request the participants to go through the questions from page 20. If there is answer, fine, you read that. If there is no answer, please search in Federal Bank website or other websites and learn from it so that you can answer these questions in the class. As it is, my plan is tomorrow is, what is the date? 2nd December. Morning 6 o'clock. I think mostly I'll be with that GD fellows. Then I think I can meet you all at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. I can have interview session for you 11 to 12 or 12:15 like that. Then that is the time allotted for you. Do not depend on me. I am not able to allot full time for you. You people form subgroups in our group. Make joint study as you are doing for what is that, GD. At you must answer me question. I will ask you what is repo rate and all. You must be able to answer. Remember, there are 441 pages questions. Mostly repeat hoga. Because you know, say every there they would have asked what is your name, why are you joining, like this and all that. So don't worry about it. Jitna hoga utna pad lijiye. From page number 20, be ready for answers. And agriculture candidate Suparna, I have given you some agriculture questions. Mr.
Okay, sir.
Supadia, what is your name?
For the Federal Bank, the list you provided.
Yeah.
Federal Bank.
I have now provided a link in our group, Federal
Yes,
Bank group, one link which gives you some 30 pages of agriculture questions asked in IBPS PO interviews. That
Okay,
much tough they will not ask. Still, if you are thorough with that, it will be good.
Okay.
Thank you. Best wishes. Any other questions, please? This is your most important document, A 2023. Please download this and store it properly, because kabhi हमारा OneDrive काम नहीं करेगा. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. We will meet again tomorrow, 11 o'clock. Thank you. Bye. And whenever I conduct some interview for South Indian Bank or other IOB or Bank of Baroda LBO, please watch those videos also, because some portion of those questions may be asked for Federal Bank also. Best wishes. Thank you. Bye.
Sir,
Yeah. Tell me.
सर ये वाला डॉक्यूमेंट आपने व्हाट्सएप किया है क्या?
अरे बाबा सबको देता है जी ये वाला, सबको ये देने का जरूरत नहीं है, ये आपको फेडरल बैंक फोल्डर का अंदर में ही मिलता है. फिर भी if you want I will post it once again. Or Supanil, why don't you post that? What is that boy?
Yes, sir.
Supandil. That boy is there. Swapnil. I am not remembering his name correctly. He's a good boy. Swapnil, वो लिंक को उनको दे दो ना, और एक बार हमारा ग्रुप में डाल दो. That 446
Okay, sir,
pages. Thank you. Best
Okay.
wishes. 1 minute. I'm sorry. थोड़ा neck pain है, इसलिए सीधा नहीं आया. But I love all of you. Best wishes. Thank you. Bye bye.